Hello, my name is Robert Croft, and I'm going to be talking about the future of HVAC. And also, HVAC today, and anything HVAC related for that matter. I'd like to start off by reading a little quote here from Galley, who tends to write many articles about HVAC and the trends in the industry and whatnot. Anyway, there will always be a need for the HVAC industry. The real question of the hour is this: how much demand is the industry expected to see year after year? I'm just going to talk about a few things here today, including improvements in the HVAC technology, rethinking HVAC technology, which includes talking about what we have today and also what we can learn from what we have today and make it better, and also some new industry trends. As we know, HVAC has a large impact on the environment and environmental impact because especially in Canada, half the year we'd be using our furnaces, which uses a lot of fuels, and also we'll be using electricity with the air conditioners and fridges, and that costs a lot of money and also affects the environment. So the new trends that are coming out today, they are trying to reduce consumer costs and at the same time make the equipment more efficient. This also means the heating would be improved and cooling, and your house would get cool quicker so you don't have to wait, and same with heating, so on and so forth. The tricky part is for the consumer to not have to pay a lot of money for a unit that's very energy efficient, very environmentally friendly, it's cost efficient, and everything that comes in with that. Like, is this possible? That's what the industry is aiming towards, but we haven't quite gotten there yet. It takes time, and as long as people are willing to help out and pay a little more to protect the environment, then that could go a long way. As we know, living in Canada, you don't really know what the weather is going to be like from one day to another. It can be plus 20 one day, and the next day it can be negative 5 or 10 even. So with that, we have to look into ways where we can have a unit or equipment for that matter that can just flip over from one extreme to another without affecting the unit and also being energy efficient. Here's just a little pie graph of basic HVAC consumptions. As you can see, the large one is space heating, so that would be the furnace and all that type of equipment. HVAC is important. I'm sure many people know that, but a lot of people don't realize how much goes into your house from the HVAC side of things. Integration and learning from each other is always been a beneficial part of HVAC. There have been studies shown that every country uses HVAC to a certain extent, and if we learn from each other and use each other's ideas, then eventually a superior HVAC system can be designed, and this will also in turn be beneficial for the environment and everyone involved. Anyway, HVAC has come a long way over the years, and if we continue at this pace, the consumer will have a cost-efficient unit that is also energy efficient, and we can protect the environment, and everyone wins. Thank you for your time.